Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican. Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a 1, 2, 3 macaroni and cheese recipe. Fast, easy and simple. Let's get right into it.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure you turn on your oven, and your oven needs to be turned on 350 degrees. You're only going to put this macaroni and cheese recipe into your oven when the oven is preheated, nice and hot. So let's talk about our other ingredients. Let's talk about our cheese first. Now you could go with any kind of cheese that you want to put in yours, but I'm going to be using sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and parmesan cheese. And all of that is 2 cups of each, alongside 2 eggs. Now you're going to also need your salt and black pepper, some cooking oil, EVO, any kind of oil you want to use, and also you're going to need butter, melted butter rather, with some fresh parsley or dried parsley. To that I'm going to be using 3 cups of macaroni, any kind of macaroni of your choice, alongside 1 can of evaporated milk. Come on, let's get started. You want to make sure that your water is nice and boiling real hot. To that, I'm going to add some salt and some cooking oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. You want to add your 3 cups of macaroni, and you want to just spin this in occasionally because you don't want this macaroni to stick in the bottom of the pot. So you're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. After 7 minutes of cooking, 7 to 10 minutes of cooking, you want to go ahead and drain off that water from your macaroni. Now you want to add your melted butter to it, and mix your melted butter in first before you do anything else with it. Then you're going to add your 2 beaten eggs inside of it as well. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese. Parsley flakes, black pepper, and you're going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Mix that all in. And I'm going to put that in my oven for 15 minutes, and I'm coming right back. Now, after 15 minutes of baking in the oven at 350 degrees, you're going to take your macaroni and cheese out the oven, and you're going to go back and sprinkle some of the sharp cheddar cheese on top. Put it back in the oven and bake for another 30 minutes. And there you have it. Our mac and cheese is all done. Fast, easy, and yes, simple. Thumbs up, like and share. Let me know where you like to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.